warm welcome to one and all to Razzle Dazzle 7.0, an extravaganza of art, creativity, and fashion. Today we are joined on this grand occasion as we celebrate our graduating batch of 2021 fashion design students of Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science and KCG College of Technology.
Now, I know we're all excited. I'm not going to be taking much time. It's definitely a lot of long hours of hard work that's gone into the collection that these designers have to offer you tonight. Razzle Dazzle 7.0. The collection is all about glitz, glamour. It's a little bit high fashion and a lot avant-garde. I've seen the collection. Let me tell you, it's an interesting one. We've got the models ready. I hope you guys are ready. Let's start this on a high note.
Here I come, you can't hide. Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Ready or not, here I come, you can't hide. Ready or not, here I come, you can't got out of bed at all. The morning rain clouds mage hite muduwe nura hengum yavi evi levi neriye numbe nage mage netne hame hayavi sihi vevi ma italanga madavatena urupemaka patalena Vanari manahari sukumali numbatama italanga madavatena urupemaka patalena Vanari manahari sukumali numbatama manike mage hite
ඉතින් මට නවංගු ගත හිත නුඹ මගේ මහැංගු අලෙ නුඹටම වලංගු මැනික වෙන්න පතාව සුනංගු ගමේ කට කර්ම කෙල්ල හිත වෙලා නුඹේ රුවට බිල්ල නෙති නෙත ගතම
Did a full 180, crazy, thinking about the way I was. Did the heartbreak change me? Maybe, but look at where I ended up. I'm all good already, so moved on.
In today's world, I think one of the major concerns is what effects do our actions have on the environment. And we are all very consciously trying to make sure that whatever we do impacts the environment in a very positive way rather than a negative way. And when it comes to fashion, things are no different. There are so many changes, so many innovations being made in the field of fashion. Our next sequence features clothes and designs and materials that talk about sustainable fashion, eco-friendly fashion, and it's been inspired by Mother Nature herself.
And I want you to be mine. Stand up in the club, come on, let's go. She want me to come, you want me to go. And if you wanna fight, let's start a show. 'Cause I want you to be mine. Stand up in the club, come on, let's go. And I want you to come, I won't let you go. So if you wanna dance, let's start a show. 'Cause I want you to be mine. Yeah, I want you to be mine. Yeah, I want you to be mine. Stand up in the club, come on, let's go. She want me to come, you want me to go. And if you wanna fight, let's start a show. 'Cause I want you to be mine. Stand up in the club.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to give it up for our showstopper. Let's give it up for Dee.
கடவெட்டி கூ கூ பொந்துல யாரு மீன் கொத்தி கூ கூ தண்ணியிலோடும் தவளைக்கு கூ கூ கம்பளி பூச்சி தங்கச்சி அள்ளி மலர் கொடி அங்கதமே ஒட்டார ஒட்டார சந்தனமே முல்ல மலர் கொடி முத்தாரமே எங்கூரு குத்தாளமே
சுருக்கு பையமா வெத்தல மட்டையம்மா சுமந்த கையம்மா மத்தலம் கொட்டியம்மா தாயம்மா தாயம்மா என்ன பண்ண மாயம்மா பள்ளியம்மா வேறாண்டி சங்கதிய கூறாண்டி கண்ணாடிய காணாண்டி இந்த வேறாண்டி
Can we have a round of applause for our showstopper? Thank you, Dee. Join us back here. You know how it goes, right? You rose to fame with Enjoy and Jami. The track us by surprise, and it soon became something that was very close to our heart. and producers were remixing it, people were singing it, it was everyone's ringtone. I heard the track today 100 times. Someone was playing it over here. I'm going to request you to sing the song for us. I'll leave the stage to you. Right?
You can be here. It's
No,
fine.
no, no, no. The stage is all yours. Please, go for it.
Can I have my dad on stage?
Yes, please, please.
Can I come?
Let's have it. Let's give a big round of applause for Mr. Santosh Narayan.
Thanks to the entire the Hindustan group and Ashok sir, and thanks for being so sweet, and they were very kind, and they helped Dee through this week, preparing her for this event, and I'm very happy that a song like Enjoy Njami is being liked by people across the globe.
அன்னக்கிளி அடி ஆலமர கிழவண்ணக்கிளி நல்லபடி வாழ சொல்லி இந்த மண்ணை கொடுத்தானே பூர்வக்குடி கம்மங்கர காணியெல்லாம் பாடி திரிஞ்சானே ஆதிக்குடி நாயினரி பூனைக்கும் தான் இந்த ஏரி கோளம் கூட சொந்தமடி என்ஜாயி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ வாங்கோ ஒன்னாகி அம்மாயி அம்பாரி இந்தா இந்தா மும்மாரி என்ஜாயி என்ஜாமி வாங்கோ வாங்கோ ஒன்னாகி அம்மாயி அம்பாரி இந்தா இந்தா மும்மாரி குக்கு குக்கு தாத்தா தாத்தா களவெட்டி குக்கு குக்கு பொந்துல யாரு மீன் கொத்தி குக்கு குக்கு தண்ணியிலோடும் தவளைக்கி குக்கு குக்கு கம்பளி பூச்சி தங்கச்சி அள்ளி மலர் கொடி அங்கதமே ஒட்டார ஒட்டார சந்தனமே முல்ல மலர் கொடி முத்தாரமே எங்கூரு குத்தாளமே ரா நம்ம பீச்சு பக்கம் போத்தாம் ஒரு டப்பாங்குத்து வேஸ்தாம் நீ என்னுடைய ரவுடி பேபி ரா you're my only girlfriend I give you பூச்செண்டு we'll make a new trend baby my dear மச்சான் நீ மனச வச்சா நாம ஓரசிக்கலாம் நெஞ்சு ஜிகு ஜிகு ஜா ரா நம்ம பீச்சு பக்கம் போத்தாம் ஒரு டப்பாங்குத்து வேஸ்தாம் நீ என்னுடைய ரவுடி பேபி
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I'd like to request Dr. Anand Jacob Varghese to join me on stage, and along with him, Mr. Ashok Varghese, to kindly do the honors and felicitate our guests of honor here, Dee and Mr. Santosh Narayan.
Be thou a bright flame before us. Be thou a guiding light above us. Be thou a pole star for all of us, today, tonight, and forever. From all of us, we would like to appreciate your passion, your hard work, your creativity and everything, and wish you all the very best for a great success.